we use the refrigerator, we should clean it every few months. Especially in summer, we should clean once a month or 2 months. Advantage: the benefits of cleaning the refrigerator. Remove odors in the refrigerator. Reduce energy consumption. Extend refrigerator life. Solution: Step 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the power supply. Step 2. Take out the food stored in the refrigerator. Open the freezer compartment door to defrost. Step 3. Clean the fridge room. Repair cleaning solvents mixed with warm water. Use a wet sponge or soft cloth to wipe down the fridge compartment, including shelves, liner, vegetable box, wine rack, and door gasket. If there is bad smell in fridge compartment, please spray 1 or 2 times with white vinegar or lemon juice or a non-toxic cleaner. Close the door for 5 minutes. Open the door and rinse with clean warm water and dry with a soft cloth. Open the refrigerator door for 5 minutes. If bad smell remains, please open the door and wait about half an hour. Then the smell should be gone. Warning: do not use harsh chemicals, concentrated detergents, solvents. Some of these chemicals may dissolve, damage, or discolor the refrigerator. Step 4. Clean the gasket, door, and outside of the refrigerator and dry with a soft cloth. Step 5. Clean the evaporating dish. Warning: unplug before cleaning. Sharp metal dangerous for our fingers and hands. If there is no bad smell or water leakage coming from the compressor compartment, you don't need to clean it. Step 6. Clean the liner of the freezer compartment. Be careful when cleaning. Clean the freezer drawer and wipe down it with dry soft cloth. Warning: when defrosting, please use a defrosting shovel or plastic tools. Please do not use metal tools or sharp tools to prevent damaging the refrigerator. Step 7. Clean the surface of the refrigerator. Step 8. Power on. Wait until the refrigerator works normally. Put the food and the drawer into the refrigerator.